there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is the Linenspa twin mattress. So we bought this mattress for our son's room for him to sleep on the floor as a transition bed between the crib and a big boy bed. So that's the reason why we got this, and I was concerned with the springs. I thought, well, maybe we're going to be able to feel them through the mattress. But I have to say that this mattress has a cushioned top. It is very comfortable. So sometimes, we'll lay in here with my son and tell him his stories, and it is so comfortable. I never feel like I can feel the springs through the top of this mattress. I also really like that it's wipeable and it's stain resistant. Overall, I would say that this has been a great purchase for our family. My son loves his mattress, and so do I. So I would highly recommend getting this if you are thinking about purchasing a twin mattress. And that's my point of view.